Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful handmade white crochet flower. It's an easy project perfect for beginners. Materials needed. To start, you will need white yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, a yarn needle. Step number 1. Make a magic ring. First, we are going to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and pull the yarn through to create a loop. This is the base of our flower. Step number 2. Chain stitches. Next, make 4 chain stitches. To do this, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Repeat this 4 times. Step number 3. Create petals. Now let's make the petals. Start with a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over again. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull through the 3 loops. Step number 4. Complete the petals. To finish the petal, chain 3 more stitches. Then slip stitch into the magic ring. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Step 5. Repeat step 3 and step 4 to make more petals. Once all the petals are done, pull the loose end of the yarn to tighten the magic ring. This will bring your petals together and form a beautiful flower. Step 7. Cut the yarn leaving a few inches. Use the yarn needle to weave the end through to the back of the flower. Step number 8. Finish up. Your handmade white crochet flower is now complete. You can use it to decorate hats, bags, or anything you like. Closing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Happy crocheting! Thanks a lot.